you joined Excel Church in the last 6 months or so? Well, we've got a new people's lunch happening on Sunday the 10th of May. This is a chance for you to get to know the leaders, get to know other people here at church, and to have a free lunch as well. It will be happening in between the morning and afternoon service, so make sure you come along and sign up online if you are joining us for that. You can find out more information by speaking to one of the leaders. We'd love to see you there.
Wash me away over and over again, over and over again, over and over again.
Accelerate course is going to be happening. It's a 4-week course starting from Monday the 8th of June, and this is a course designed for you to discover what your areas of gifting are and calling might be, and it might be things that you're not even aware of at the moment, but you can discover them on this course. So why don't you sign up for this course? The spaces are limited, so you've got to get in quick, but join us for that Accelerate course in June.
It's empty. Now nothing's ever gonna be the same. I cry out your name, Jesus. Your love is like a tidal wave. Let me dive in, let me feel your grace.
Amen. Our next event is coming up on the 9th of May, and it's going to be Footgolf. Now, the great thing about Footgolf is you don't have to be great at golf and you don't have to be great at football. You can just come along and have a great time with us. If you've got a football, bring it. You need to pay £10 and you can sign up right now via our website. If you want to know more, have a word with one of the team. But men, do not miss out on our next Courageous Men's event. It's going to be on the 9th of May at 1 p.m. Footgolf.
Gonna carry me home. Let your tidal wave come carry me home.
So that's all for XL News, but don't forget this Wednesday is Leadership Development Night with our guest Dot Burnett, so you don't want to miss out on that. Come for 7:15 because we've got some refreshments for you as well. That's on Wednesday. See you there and have a great week.